The 2016 KTM Duke 690 is a high-performance naked street motorcycle designed for riders who crave agility, power, and a raw riding experience. As part of KTM's renowned Duke series, the 690 model sits between the smaller 390 and the larger 1290 Super Duke R, offering a perfect balance of urban maneuverability and highway capability. With its aggressive styling, lightweight chassis, and punchy single-cylinder engine, the Duke 690 stands out as a unique option in the middleweight naked bike segment. Engine performance. At the heart of the Duke 690 lies a 690 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder four-stroke engine, producing 67 horsepower and 51 lb-ft of torque. This big-bore thumper delivers instant throttle response and strong low-to-mid-range power, making it ideal for city riding and spirited backroad blasts. The engine's counterbalancer reduces vibrations, while fuel injection ensures smooth power delivery. Though it lacks the top-end rush of multi-cylinder rivals, its torquey nature provides thrilling acceleration. Chassis and handling. The Duke 690 features a lightweight chromoly steel trellis frame, contributing to its dry weight of just 148 kilograms, 326 pounds. This, combined with a sharp 43mm WP upside-down fork and a WP monoshock, ensures razor-sharp handling. The bike's short wheelbase and aggressive steering geometry make it incredibly flickable, while the high-quality suspension provides excellent feedback and stability, whether carving corners or navigating tight city streets. Braking and safety features. Braking performance is top-notch, with a Brembo 4-piston radial caliper gripping a 320mm front disc, delivering strong stopping power with excellent feel. A 240mm rear disc with a single-piston caliper provides adequate rear braking. ABS comes standard, enhancing safety without being overly intrusive. The Duke 690's aggressive riding position and precise controls further contribute to confident braking and control. Design and ergonomics. The Duke 690's design is unmistakably KTM. Sharp, angular, and aggressive. The exposed trellis frame, minimalist bodywork, and signature orange accents give it a bold, modern look. The upright riding position offers comfort for daily commuting, while the slightly rear-set pegs allow for spirited riding. The narrow seat and tank design make it easy to grip with the knees, though taller riders might find the seat height, 835mm, a bit high. Electronics and technology. While not as tech-laden as higher-end models, the 2016 Duke 690 features a digital LCD instrument cluster displaying essential info like speed, RPM, fuel level, and gear position. Ride-by-wire throttle ensures crisp response, but the bike lacks advanced rider aids like traction control or multiple riding modes, keeping the experience raw and engaging. Fuel efficiency and range. With a 14-liter fuel tank, the Duke 690 offers decent range, averaging around 18 to 22 km/L, 50 to 55 miles per gallon, depending on riding style. This translates to a 250 to 300 kilometers, 155 to 185 miles range per tank, making it suitable for both daily commutes and weekend rides without frequent fuel stops. Exhaust and sound. The stock exhaust emits a deep, throaty growl characteristic of big singles, though some riders opt for aftermarket systems for a louder, more aggressive tone. The engine's lumpy idle and punchy acceleration give the Duke 690 a distinctive personality compared to smoother twin-cylinder rivals. Competitors and market position. The Duke 690 competes with bikes like the Yamaha MT-07 and Triumph Street SSS, but its single-cylinder setup sets it apart. While it lacks the outright power of twins or triples, its lightweight, torquey nature, and sharp handling make it a favorite among riders who prefer a more engaging hooligan-style ride. Verdict and final thoughts. The 2016 KTM Duke 690 is a thrilling no-nonsense street fighter that excels in agility and fun factor. Its torquey engine, razor-sharp handling, and aggressive styling make it a standout in the middleweight naked segment. While it may not be as refined or feature-packed as some competitors, its raw, visceral character appeals to riders who prioritize excitement over comfort. For those seeking a lightweight, punchy, and flickable motorcycle, the Duke 690 remains an excellent choice.